favorite sound, yeah. I can hear you breathing when I put it down, yeah. Crazy how last weekend turned into a fling, though. All I want is your audition, can you sing for me? I want melody to take me home. Please don't wait too long, yeah. Wanna hear you sing, wanna make you moan. Melody, please take me home. Please don't wait too long, yeah. Wanna hear you sing, wanna make you moan. Yeah, bad little broad from the valley, that's my turf. She asked how I balance everything, I said I know my worth. She like, can I get a verse? I said, guess that all depends, yeah. Do you got some friends from my friends, yeah. Girl, I'm playing, hot damn, how you look in the mirror like that? Maybe wanna get in my bed. I ain't gonna rap when the heat wanna trap my back. I'm ready to get it if you're ready to get it down. Swear to God, I'll get a hit like Larry Holmes. I'm in the booth, I'm in the zone, and I can't wait to make that song for days long. Your voice is my favorite sound, yeah. I can hear you breathing when I put it down, yeah. Crazy how last weekend turned into a fling, though. All I want is your audition, can you sing for me? I want melody to take me home. Please don't wait too
All the weight that you decided put inside of me drives me crazy, got me stressed, it was not alright. But all the love that you decided and so suddenly got so empty in the moment I felt you mine. I thought I was right, fuck off those little lies. Meet other people but nothing to say. How do you think that it feels when I don't have you by my side? Don't have you by my side.